Okay, Mark, you've been in the industry some 30 plus years.
Right.
What do you see the difference in the industry today and 30, 35 years ago, how it has evolved, how it has changed, the designs and things such as that?
All right. I mean, the changes have been dramatic. I mean, it's really unbelievable. When I first met you, there was probably 400 really well-established stores in the United States selling quality Native American, quality American product, great jewelry. And, you know, Martha and I have been servicing those accounts for 30 years, and that number today has just shrunken dramatically for many reasons. There's the economy, there's the lack of knowledge, and there's just the fact that people have gotten older and there are not a lot of young people getting in the industry. What's been great about knowing you and, you know, the accounts that we've built over the years, it's like family. We have watched these stores over 30 years change dramatically, and there's just so few left that are truly great. And I put you guys, the Crosby collection, into that category. You guys have one of the more phenomenal stores in the country.
Well, thank you.
You're welcome, and I mean that. I mean, we've sold the best over the 30 years, and we've sold and continue to sell the best, but I put you guys in a class. We have our top 5. You are in that top 5 of all customers in the United States as far as knowledge, quality, ethics, just overall, the overall quality of what you do. And every transaction, everything you guys do is nothing but the highest quality. And it's been a pleasure to continue to work with you and Vicki.
Well, and you and Martha also, and everyone else at Peyote Bird. We just want to make sure that we don't misrepresent and mislead people who are interested in buying nice pieces.
Understandable. It's very important, and that's your reputation. It always has been. I mean, one thing I can say about you guys is you always, when you come here to buy, you always seek the best. The price is secondary. It starts with the quality, it starts with the stone, it starts with the craftsmanship, and then we get down to the price. But that's the fun thing about you. There's very few people like you left in the country that start with the quality and the artisan craftsmanship, and that's been a great, keeps us motivated, right?
Yeah, definitely.
Thank you very much.
Us as well. No, absolutely.
Vicki and I and Mark and Martha, we'll buy 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. If the quality and the price is there, we'll buy it.